بله گلی اولا رزو صلاف بو هوا هنا سوید که من همید باش بن هم ده افروکه یاری که دست بکن کب ناوه توم برایدره یان کو شادو اف توم برایدر کردیجی تیتا دیار کرن یان تیتا تیگه هشتن که بناوه شادو اف توم برایدر او جی سیطاف که کش توم برایدری یان جی سیطاف که توم برایدری اف گیمه جیل تأكيد أصلا صانم صالة چنده هاتیه دانان بس همچنین سحکینه اف گیمه سال 2008 هاتیه درفه طبعا سال 2008 اف گیم هاتیه درفه و چروکا في گیمی چند هنده تشتید بهاد گریتن يعني وكيد بيجن هند کسیتین بجن نجیروانت بهاگران يعني اف نجیروانت چم تشتید بهاگران گران بو تشتید بهاگران بینن و فروشن یانجی تزفرین نوا بو وی ولادی او ولادی او تشتاج لیدی دا وكي كانت جيدة في خلب شتا بيش صح كده هفكي ماجيش كيرواتياش ش چه بجنش اکتر سرکی نوی جی لارا کروفتا ادم نوی درست بود نوی لارا کروفتا و فیلم جی سروی یاری هاتا چکرن اکتر انجلینا جولی وی فیلمی تکتن و چه دیجی امشين بحثي في جيمي بكين كا چپيت فيتو بشي في جيمي بكي سر كمبيوتري شكو اف جيما بو كمبيوتري وكين بينين يعني في ساي بي سي اف جيما البلايستيشن جي هاي والبي سي جي هاي واز بيجم اكس بوكس جي هاي كذا خلت نبم بل تاكيد مكل اكس بوكس جي هاي زو اف جيماش يعني از دي جيمترين تشتت كمبيوتري ده مثلا كنت شايفيه سر كمبيوتري كي ويندوز هفتين ناچه بیش هفته کمتر بید ويندوز هفته زیاده تر بید 8 بید 9 بید 8 بید 10 بید درسته بس ناچه بیش هفته کمتر بید و آی کوره کمپیوتری ده ناچه بیدنش آی 3 کوریوش 3 کمتر بیدن BTU درسته 64 خینید و رام کمپیوتری ده دید 8 گیگا بیتن گلی حوالا و جی تی ایکس کمپیوتری ده یانجی کارتا شاشه ناچه بیتنش 1050 کمتر بید هکش 1050 کمتر بید اف یاریه سر کمپیوتری ده ناخینی چه دید خینید چی بس دی گلک اب زحمه بید و شیف یاریه خوشی ببی چونکو کارتا شاشه که کم بیتن بيجن شكلي بيجن مرف نشتن ياري بكذا أفا بون چند تشتكت في ياري بشي ياري ببكي كمبيوتري أمش دنو كان دست بكين و سيفيد كما في ياري أبتلي هوا بيدن قالي هوا لا دست بكين هميتش نورمال بله بزانين ياري كوچا وكي ديشي قالي هوا وكي أزد زانم في ياري چند فيديو يكيت تيدا ناچه بیدنش بن هجده کمتر ویاریه بکد از هیوید کم اوه بود بن هجده دایا ناچه بیدن بن هجده دا زیده تر ویاریه بکد چونکو چند ویدیو که تیدا راستی گلک ترسن و چند ویدیو که تیدا ناچه بید بن هجده دا کمتر ببینیدن چکو از خونه زانم که چند ویدیویت شلایانه سکسیوه و شلایانه کشتنه و ویدیو ترس جاسی بید کم هرچه حوالا بیتن هرچه حوالا کم بیتن ویاری بکتن سیوید کم تمنیوش هجده کم تر نبیتن تنگ تقادلی ها تک 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 بإنتاجه يا إنتاج الشركة كده.
Jonah, you there?
تنقل والله كم شلون سبتها بتلي بقرين قالك باشترى
Shit. Jonah, I'm here. Just a little stuck. A rock hit my leg.
Don't move, I'll get help.
No, I'm right on Trinity's tail. I don't want to attract attention.
I'm on my way.
I won't be long.
بيجي اللي هو ايش يعني كتب مباركي قالك يبدو ما شاء الله جرافيكي قالك يا جاني هاي فياريه وياريكا قالك خوشه
Shit.
شهر والله كي بيتا ياري دا بلا سكتة حتى دماغي يعني وكي فيلمكي سكتة خوشي جبت شكو راستي قالك ياريكا خوشه جانا طبعا اوه تشكي وي سركيا اوه هين بينن اوه صور او تشكي که مروش سر چیا بيت كافيتن سر خاص جايد بفري يعني هيك جالك بفر بيتن او دست مروف دا بيت مروش سر كافيتن يعني بچه مشكلة بينا بين تشكي که جالك باشه
Jonah, I'm out. Be careful, the way into the site is full of traps.
Trinity's not done with it yet.
They're protecting something.
6 weeks, and still no solid leads on who's leading the local Trinity cell. But I talked to some people in town, and they're excited. There's a VIP coming to the Day of the Dead. Name's Dominguez. We should look into it.
طبعا Giorno e Dominguez, ha? يعني والله ينبارك يخطب بني بيت من الخوري ناس قالك خش حالي تصيد بلد ناكم سار كافتني الوقت اشتغل جانا
Jonah, I made it.
I'm on my way in. Almost there.
Sorry I didn't wait. Be careful.
هافانا تشتت بها قال يا عبال اكل تقرن تشتت صيد بها تقرن تشتت صيد شينوار تقرن شينوار تقلك تكفن اجا كان تشتت فكنت شينوار تكفن جيت بينن كان تشتكل وشينوارات بينن يعني
Laura,
افتشتاب بهاي ناي نكرن قلق قرانن زين يعني زيادة
guess all that research paid off. Now we know what Trinity is after.
Yeah, they really didn't want us in here.
Glad we followed your father's notes. I saw where the passage collapsed on you back there. You want me to take a look at that wound?
No, I'm fine.
What is all this?
Constellations. This inscription is some sort of riddle. Pink fish.
Pink fish.
Silver-crowned mountain. There's a date here. But something's off. Looks like it was damaged, perhaps intentionally.
Why would Trinity sabotage this? They usually just destroy everything.
No, I think the damage is older. But who would have tampered with it?
Laura! You gotta get out of here. Laura!
I have to get this.
Come on!
شد خبدتك پشتن بسر راس مکی کو بگیری تبزانی تنکا بچه شینواره یعنی بگو چه
Come on!
You had him drag me out, I'd still be in there taking pictures.
We'd still be in there. Don't know if you'd be doing much.
Jonah.
Hey, you wanna freshen up? Regroup at the cafe? Dr. Dominguez is supposed to be there tonight.
Sounds good. I'll try and decipher the riddle, see if the date has anything to do with it.
Right. Pink fish, Silver Crown Mountains, I'll look into it. By the way,
اوه جانیا ویاریه گلی هوالا گرافیکی گلک جانا چند ویوی که جانتین یعنی چند بینینه که جانتین چند جهه که گلک جان گلک شینوار یعنی هرچی هوالک سکت ویاریه دی گلک تشتازانیتن مكسيكو أفنو كان مكسيكو مدينة كان مكسيكو أو كوزمولا أفنا بس يوري كامرو يوري كات وكي كان شينوارا كامرو زانيت وكي كان ولاتا كامرو زانيت وكي كان خلقة كي هندا ولاتا مرو زانيتن
My father mentioned him in his
مرو
journal.
جيانا كا
No one
كان
wants his
ولاتا
axe
كديد
that long
زانيتن
in colonial ruins.
everyone says he's a great guy. Big help to the town. So how's your leg?
Jonah, look. The riddle. Its directions. To find the hidden city, go south along the shore until you find the pink fish.
I found something for that. It's pink dolphins, found only in the Amazon.
It goes on. Then chase the heart of the serpent to the silver-crowned mountain. Look at this. It's the constellation Hydra, the serpent. This star is the heart. It's set in the southwest.
So southwest from the Amazon River. Brazil.
Peru. This date from the ruins. See, if you look closely,
فيما
this
باقي تخينا قالي
this
هذا
number looks
يلتشتاق
like a
يتقارن.
Maya 13, but what if it's really an 8? With precession, it
What?
precession. The Earth tilts, so over time these stars appear in a different place on the horizon. Important if you're navigating by the night sky.
Okay.
In the Maya calendar, that's a 2,000-year difference. Back then, the heart of the serpent set directly to the west.
So that's why it's in Peru, not Brazil. Trinity has been looking in the wrong place.
Exactly. We need to look for the Silver Crown Mountain in Peru. There's more. Something about a key. What is Trinity looking for in the hidden city?
او جروبا كانوا في ترند ديا يل شارع يتقارن بين الشارع برزة
You heard that too, right?
Let's see where he goes.
يعني باجرة يتقارن بين باجرة
Wait,
برزة.
hold on. Trinity's watching this place. Let's try to blend in.
جا حتونو كاد بميت خلت اللي يتقارن او جروبا خلت اللي يتقارن افوزاني كل كيفايا يعني او
Trinity's people are armed.
يعني ترند دي البرازيل اللي يتقارن
I'll stay out of their way.
افيل
I want to avoid what
ايدي اللي
happened with
يتقارن
the last cell we took down.
بيتشنا بيرو
Must know
ابول
we were
بيرو
at the other site.
هر بلاطك جنوب
So much for
امريكا.
a night off.
Where did Dominguez go?
He can't be far. He must be in the courtyard somewhere.
Yeah,
Let's look around.
someone must know something.
Hey, Sammy, how's it going?
Any sign of him?
Let's keep looking.
I'm not really used to crowds.
You'd rather storm guards or the deathless?
No, this is fine. Jonah, he's at the gate.
I see.
Good. Be sure I'm not followed.
I think I can find another way over the wall.
I'll take care of these guys. Hey, fellas, how you doing?
Good. You can't come through this way.
I heard there was some kind of crazy fiesta, like chicks and skull makeup. Y'all know anything about that?
It's not for tourists.
No, you know Maria. You know her? She's my cousin. Manuela. She was from here. Don't look like it. So, I wanted to make like an offering. What's that thing you do with the blankets? All right. You know what? I can see you guys are busy. I won't waste any more of your time. I'll keep on trucking. Thanks for your service. Keeping us safe.
Jonah, I'm in.
Good. Those guards weren't at the gate earlier. Dominguez must suspect something.
Excuse me.
You make contact with the High Consul.
Yes, sir. Even after the fiasco in Brazil. No one questions your leadership of the organization.
Gone too far to stop now.
Yes, sir. They're ready for anything.
Jonah, Dominguez is not just the leader of the cell. I think he's the leader of Trinity.
We need to be careful. Lara,
Yeah, I heard you.
Disculpe, señorita.
My fault.
بس اصلا زانم اوه چه پارتیه هون چه حفله فریدان مکسیکیا
Someone set off a trap at the first site.
هالووینه نه بار نکم هالووین بیتن چون مکسیکی هالووینی نه چند جشنکی دیده نه جشنکاتیه بس نزا کی جشنه او از وی جشنه زانم بس ناوی بیرام نه ایتن حالا
Jonah, they might have noticed me. I'll try the back alley.
I'll find another way around.
فیلم که دیدی سر وی جشنه سر وی جشنه یا مری و تشتاه
Doctor, son muchos de sus hombres.
Can never be too safe. You're very gracious. Thank you.
We should go. Dominguez wants confirmation Croft is here. You have the photo. Female,
Croft.
Caucasian,
Lara
early 20s.
Croft.
You got
Yeah.
that?
Well,
Good.
Jag vet inte vad
They'll
vi är.
find her.
good. I don't want anyone getting in there. Don't worry. Go.
Lo siento.
Readings inside are unlike anything we've ever seen.
Min bebore.
It's the key to our next phase.
If this is it, we'll be ready.
Jonah, they've entered the dig site. It's fenced off and there's a guard at the gate. I'll find another way in.
I found a good spot. I'll watch the perimeter.
There's got to be more to these ruins. A Maya pyramid inside some sort of cave.
Take him into the ruins. Should be far enough out of earshot. No, no, please, don't make this harder than it needs to be. Wait. I'm a government official. I'm supposed to be here.
Not anymore, Mr. Lead Archaeologist. Your employment has been terminated.
Please, no. I have money. I can pay you.
Jonah.
I won't hurt you. You work for Trinity. What did they find?
Well, they've been searching for a temple entrance for many years. Today they found it. I have to go warn my sister. She's on her way here now.
كهفك يتقريان. قلت الكهفك يتقريان قلت هو تشتد فيها قلت كهفك يتقريان أفا تشامبو قلت أفرو
Trinity
كديد.
just tried to kill a local archaeologist.
Oh God.
I have to find what they're looking for.
This is Commander Rourke. All teams, get ready for Operation Blackout.
ساكيني تشلفارا نينا. يا.
I know this figure. Ishal, the goddess of the full moon. Oh, and this is Shakshal, the new moon. There's an inscription. Shakshal, the key lies beyond her gaze. Key. This is it.
جانا كهفة جديد بس لنا وكهفة ويقف يبحث بكر.
Got to make my way down. Okay, this should work. All right.
This is Commander Rourke. I want the site secured ASAP. When Dr. Dominguez arrives, we all go in together.
شیار بی تدا نکمی.
units, get ready. Dr. Dominguez is on his way down.
Damn, I better hurry. I've got this. The statue is looking at that cave.
واو
This is it.
Jonah.
Jonah, I'm entering a cave. We may lose contact.
Copy that. I'll keep an eye on Trinity out here.
هندا جا چکی پارتاکی کریش ویگیم هندا جا چته هندا عردا يعني
This cave looks
ده
like it's
عردا
usually
راشيد
underwater.
گلک اب زحمت هندک شمسح کنی راستی
The carvings on this Maya monolith are far too deteriorated to read.
طبعا قالي هفلا افترقها يعني هندا جال اكو جارا اولي مديتي مناظر هندا تشوفه كان قالك تشتكي بزحمت بومن بس نو كان بشتي مزاني بارتا كريجي من بشكل هندا تشتين بشكل بصناعي كمان راستي نو
All right.
جانا مشكا جردا
What is this place?
يعني
Holding
وكي
cells.
مقول يا جلا وتتهندا عردت جلك جون بس جتهندا هندا عردت جلك بطرشي جلك وجلك صانين جانا اوه كش ماسة كهرباء بو اسمه ماسة كهرباء بو نه بله هوا واو اوه يعني ما شاء الله قالك أبي نخش بيني تنابه تحكي بكيرات ايه ساكت باش موجود خندقت جانم
I have to find the temple Dominguez is looking for.
اوكي. افطلهم جلها والله زيت مرف زانيتا مرف همو بيخول ليدا خلاص يعني نجا مرف نابنيتا.
Jonah, I made it. I'm in an underground temple.
Good.
Oh, that's not good.
Lara, Trinity's blasting their way in.
I can tell it's causing tremors. There's a pyramid. I'm gonna get to the top.
Lara, how's it going?
Good. There are platforms that can help me reach the top. Looking for something to weigh them down.
You're breaking up. Got some activity here. I'm gonna get closer.
Checking every chore very خلاص كات. زي الرجل رايكر.
I'll need to find a way to get to the other side.
مزوني. جانا. طبعا قال لي هفرا فيجي عندك جرب فيد مرفز راخوب كاتن يوريكو هزر كرنيا اهم ديت مرفز راخوب شاكي تداب كات كده تشوفي يوريك راسي بشكل بزحمته ابا قالك جون ترين تجبل داف من متفياري دادي قالك تشتكي جونا بس تكي قالي والله غطالها كودشي قال يا والله راستي تشتكي جانا راستي يا ريت تصب شكي مشك بيت قلق قس حاشد كان طبعا دقتني لا جانا قلق تشتكي جانا راستي Vedi? Borrega. Vedi. مشاركة إعادة بلند. اوف طبطبة مشكلة فيريندا تقلت شتر سكتة تنغيد تشتبر سنجتا صاني نبتشا جانا
Jonah!
Yeah, I'm here.
Jonah, there's a mural here. It shows a box. Inscription says, the silver box of Ishal. That must be what's in the hidden city. This is a Maya myth. It says the box will summon the god Kukulkan.
The creation god. Is that what Trinity's after?
Wait, there's more. Looks like a series of cataclysms. A tsunami. A storm. An earthquake.
اوكي
Volcanic eruption.
So much for the god of creation.
بحسي
Well,
هروبايا
I believe Kukulkan is the god of creation and destruction.
هروبايا وباراني وافرابوني
Looks like the Hydra constellation, but the stars seem out of alignment.
اوكي جانا
Jonah, I found a dagger.
كير كيكي
There's an inscription. The key to Isha's heart unlocks the cleansing. We can't let Trinity get hold of this.
Let's think this through. Shit! Lara, Trinity guards are coming your way.
لا 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 اصلا ظالم از بيجم تشتهر تشتكي وصد تاويدي دا بيتن برك يعني صايفة شارتي بيتن قالك تشتكي خرابة دبي تشتكي هاي لو وصيت انا اميري
What have I done?
اوف يا بخود بيش تعني متشكر
Shit. Jonah, get to higher ground.
Oh no, you took it, didn't you?
Hurry.
They're on their way. Who? Dr. Dominguez and more men. Apparently we found what we're looking for. Great. Then the siege begins. Yeah, that's what the reinforcements are for.
Yes, I heard you, okay? Dominguez is coming tonight. I get it. What I'm telling you is the rain is gonna flood it. What the fuck do you think I'm doing? Checking on the water pump right now.
Okay. Let's make sure everything's copacetic.
How's it going with that pump? Answer me! You finished with that pump yet?
Come help me get these lights ready.
Operation Blackout has been initiated. None of the local workers leave the site alive. Ah, fuck. We've planned for this. Make sure the perimeter's secure.
What do you think is in there?
I don't know, but I hear the readings are off the charts.
Let's just make sure the perimeter is secure when Commander Rurik gets here.
Inspectors are coming. Be ready.
فكي جانا راست ظالم بس وكي از بینو چکی گلگی کلیده شتاش مریا بی شتاش مریا ورگیری يعني
Have to be quick.
All right, let's dispose of the bodies. Here, monitor the police
glad to be rid of them.
Yeah, they've been trying to warm out our intentions here for ages.
Well, they found out tonight. Hope it was worth it.
Yeah, assholes should have minded their own business.
Base camp, this is Gamma Leader. Where's our backup? Don't give me that shit. The site is secure.
Base camp to outpost. Come in. Need to confirm reports of more gunfire. Do you copy?
shit.
Visual confirmed. Rock.
جماعات بحاسية.
Dominguez wants her alive. She's killing our people. Fuck. Copy that. Target sighted.
Always hated helicopters.
Jesus. Something explode on your end?
Oh shit. Oh yine
Not a lady
berdam.
fight. You okay?
This'll get you moving.
More coming. I hope that's all of them.
باور نکم. في تسويت كم خربة بس باور نکم.
There she is.
Okay. Beat. Ah.
Stop! Don't hurt her. Lara Croft. This isn't the way I hoped would be. You know I've been interested in your work.
Trinity always is.
کادگاه خدا این چه بشید.
The key of Shash.
قليلة تشتكي بس أنا ظن ميوتشان.
I've sacrificed my life for this. Where's the silver box of Isha? Give it to me.
It's in a safe place.
You don't have it. It never occurred to me that you would just take it. With this key and the silver box, we can remake the world without weakness, cruelty. And certainly with none of this. But without the box, the apocalypse, the death of the sun.
You're lying.
Lara, you felt it when you took the key.
Tremors are common.
A tsunami is coming, and this is the first of many catastrophes you're doing.
You would have done the same.
Yeah. By taking the key, you set the apocalypse in motion. cleansing has begun. It falls to me now to stop it before it consumes us all.
تشتاق چه بود؟ چه؟ اوه Gudut tsunami derabiten. Evet gudut drawat ki. Yani خلتكو جالك معظم كر. Baba, baba şey. Set
Find
over
high
her.
ground.
بسركبه وش بصير نركبي؟ بسركب يا زبني. أولي بسركب بس أنا مش
Lara? I was so worried.
I failed.
dagger. I lost it. After everything that my father went through, I gave Trinity exactly what they wanted. He'll use the box and the knife to remake the world.
To remake it into what?
I don't know, he thinks he can rid it of sin and weakness. A man like that, we have to stop him. It's all my fault.
We'll figure it out, okay? I promise.
No. We have to get to the hidden city before Trinity. We have to find the silver box.
Okay, but first, we're gonna help these people get to safety, and then we'll go after the box.
No one is safe. Not if he gets the box first. I have to go. I'm the only one.
You're the only one that can what? You don't know that you caused all this, Lara? Not everything is about you. These people need us here. We can do good now. Besides, what do we gotta go on? A riddle? We're gonna need more than pink fish and silver crowns to get to the hidden city. I'm gonna help these people. And then I'll find us a plan.
هاتنا بيرو امازون ريفر يعني جانه يشتري جماشي كده عاجزة
I think we're looking for a volcanic mountain. The crown of silver is probably a band of clouds.
I just can't get those people back there out of my head. I lost everything.
The riddle says, chase the heart of the serpent to the Silver Crown Mountain where the twins confer. I wonder what the twins are.
This storm looks like bad news.
It's just a little rain. We'll concentrate on the Cloudy Mountain.
Cloudy Mountain. If we find it, how do we know we have the right one?
Gut feeling? It's our only clue. The mural says there'll be more disasters. The best way we can help them is to put a stop to it and Trinity.
Okay. But how do we really know?
Jonah, what I felt when I took the dagger.
You mean the tremors or the tsunami?
More than that. It felt like I woke something up. I know that it's not practical. I know that it's hard to believe, but you need to trust me.
We have to trust each other. Hey, I might have something over here.
Really? That's it.
I don't like this storm. Should we come back in the morning?
We're so close.
I guess a little turbulence wouldn't stop Trinity either.
Miguel, is there anywhere to land?
Yeah, I can put you down near Coac Jaco.
Let's go.
Contact! It might get bumpy.
جيت ده